Hey, I'm John CRESTANI, and I'm going to show you how you can create a mastermind to help solve any problem that you're currently facing in your personal life or in your business career. And I'll be showing you 4 simple steps that you can take to make that happen. Let's do it. So now, starting a mastermind is such an important thing for whatever you're doing or whatever you're passionate about in life. Now, I run a multi-million-dollar per year business. I live in Malibu, California. Just give you context about me if you've never met me before. But creating a big business has been really important to me, and really solving these future problems that I see in self-employment and whatnot has been a really big passion of mine. But to do big things in my life, I've needed to surround myself with really smart people because, I'm not some standout, naturally intelligent person. I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth. I've been able to create success for myself by surrounding myself with really smart people and moving forward as a team. And just to give you some history about myself, I've always been a soccer player. I've always been an athlete throughout school. And that team dynamic has been something that's really pushed me forward in life and helped me excel. Now, being an entrepreneur, being in a relationship where the only person you have to talk to is sometimes the one you're fighting with, is a hard place to be, which is why I highly recommend creating a mastermind. Can be just an unbelievable way to solve problems in your life. Now, there's 4 simple steps that I can give you to creating a mastermind, and I'm just gonna sit down here for a second and kind of go over these. But the 4 simple steps, the first are, you want to define what is it that you're passionate about. What is it you want to solve? Is it you want to start a business? Is it that you want to be better in your relationship? Is it that you want to grow your business to new heights? Or maybe you want to do something for your community. You want to solve homelessness. Whatever that is, write it down. Write it down. Have an idea in your mind. A lot of you probably already know what that is, whether you want your relationship to be better, you want more money, or you want to do something better for the community. The second step you'll want to do is you'll want to interact with diverse groups of people that are all around whatever problem you want to solve. Now, for me, the problem that I've wanted to solve is I want to grow my business, okay? I've wanted to grow my business so badly, and I want to become super rich. I want to have a helipad in my backyard in Malibu. I don't have big enough lot for a helipad yet, but I'm learning to fly a helicopter, and I'll be buying a helicopter soon. Hopefully I'll get the land soon to create that. But what I did to interact with diverse groups of people is I go to different business conferences. I've joined different networking organizations such as Entrepreneurs Organization, and I also go to different meetups, and I interact with people from a few different worlds. I interact with entrepreneurs, okay, just kind of as a broad category. I interact with affiliate marketers. I interact with online business owners, and I also interact with business startups, and I also interact with investors. I'm involved in some angel investing groups. Now, I have all these different broad business categories of people that I interact with. So that gives me a foundation to bring diversity and a diverse set of viewpoints to any situation. I like networking. Okay, starting a mastermind is all about networking. So I just wanted to let you know from a basis, this has got to be something you're interested in, is actually interacting with people. Now, the third step is you want to invite people together. Bring them together in a central place. Now, if you are trying to do everything digitally, you could be a member of different forums, and you could combine everybody from these different groups into a single Skype group. You could combine them on a single email thread. But you want to invite people together again under that, what you defined this mastermind was going to be about. You invite everybody together, you say, hey, I'm having a dinner. And that sounds great. And what I would do is I'd invite a bunch of people to come hang out in a jacuzzi with me, have wine and have cheese, and discuss how we can bring our businesses higher. And I would just tell everybody that. I say, hey, we're doing this Friday night. If you want to hang out, come hang out. But this is going to be the discussion topic. This is going to be what the night's about. I don't say, hey, let's come out, drink wine, and eat cheese in a jacuzzi, okay? That's not what I do. I say this night is specifically for discussing this topic. We're going to figure out homelessness or whatever. And you invite people from diverse groups of viewpoints. And then the final step is you get together. You get everybody together. You know, the invitation was very clear and people will come or people won't come. But if you can bring together diverse groups of people, like what I said, you know, I have friends who run manufacturing businesses. I have friends who are affiliate marketers. I have friends who are, run software companies. I have friends who have raised, tens of millions of dollars for their startup. And you bring these people together in one room to discuss one topic. The topic links them together, even though everybody's from a wide range of businesses. The topic brings people together, and you can have really great, meaningful discussions, and you can become what I call a super connector. You can even create a business off of this. Tony Robbins and Dean are recently releasing a whole product about how you can charge people thousands of dollars to be a part of a mastermind, just connecting people to discuss topics, connecting different people with interesting and well-versed viewpoints. Now, I hope you learned a lot about starting masterminds and creating those connections that are the spice of life. Now, if you like this, make sure you subscribe. I talk a lot about businesses and how to create more money in your life. And also like this video and comment why this video was meaningful to you, because I'd like to understand what's important to mastermind for you.